there! Welcome back to another video in our Frequently Asked Questions series.
In today's video, we're going to be talking about the essential tools and install components you will need to complete your multi-wall polycarbonate project, as well as to give you a few safety tips.
For the safe installation of your multi-wall polycarbonate sheets, we recommend always wearing safety glasses, protective gloves, and earplugs while cutting or drilling. Make sure to follow basic ladder safety rules, and of course, use or wear any other safety equipment that you feel is important to your own personal safety.
And remember, never walk on installed sheets or leave unfastened sheets unattended. If you must walk or kneel on sheets during installation, use a sturdy board long enough to span 3 structural supports.
Light in weight and easy to handle, multi-wall polycarbonate sheets do not require any special tools to install. Sheets can easily be fabricated on-site and installed with common woodworking tools you probably already have.
A utility knife with a sharp blade can be used for short cuts on thinner sheets of multi-wall polycarbonate. Always make sure to cut away from your body using a straight edge to guide the knife.
A circular saw with a fine-tooth blade works well to cut any sheet thickness. A high-quality blade with at least 10 teeth per inch is recommended for clean, smooth cuts. A plywood blade is a good choice.
Make sure to use a set of adjustable clamps to secure your multi-wall polycarbonate sheet to the work surface. This will help reduce vibrations while cutting.
And measure twice, cut once. Before cutting, make sure to double check all of your measurements and confirm where your cuts will go. And remember, don't forget to account for thermal expansion.
Before installing your multi-wall polycarbonate sheets, it's important to choose the correct fastener for your specific application. If you choose the wrong fastener, the fastener and the sheet can fail.
A drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit is recommended for drilling holes into multi-wall polycarbonate. Standard woodworking drill bits will work just fine. And if you're not using self-drilling screws, make sure to pre-drill all of your holes to allow for seasonal expansion and contraction of the sheets.
In addition to the tools you'll need, we'd also like to suggest a few install components that will help keep the flutes of your multi-wall polycarbonate sheet clean and provide a finished and professional look.
Multi-wall polycarbonate sheets can be joined using several methods. If you're looking for a cost-effective option, polycarbonate H profiles are a good choice and can easily be cut to the length of your sheets right on site.
Purchasing an aluminum and/or vent tape is a great choice for sealing off the edges of your multi-wall polycarbonate sheet. Make sure to choose a high-quality tape that will expand and contract with the thermal movement of the sheet. We also suggest sealing off the edges with a polycarbonate U profile.
Typically, a sealant isn't necessary if you're using polycarbonate profiles, but if you do feel the need to seal off the points where your sheets meet an exterior wall, use a 100% silicone sealant. And always, check the product label to confirm the sealant is compatible with polycarbonate.
Last but not least, before starting your project, make sure to read through the multi-wall install guide manual. Also, check any product warranty information.
And if you have any questions concerning what you might need or how to begin your next project, please feel free to give us a call or send us a message. The friendly and knowledgeable team at AmeriLux is here to help make your project go smoother and easier. Thanks for watching! Do remember to account for thermal expansion. Do.
Aluminum vent tape or in